Hello, everybody. Welcome back to this year tropical update for June 17th. We're currently watching an invest located over the Gulf of Mexico, as well as an area of interest over the southwestern Atlantic Ocean, potentially both impacting the United States. Our first thing to watch is Invest 91L, located just to the west of the Yucatan, and it's going to be heading towards the Texas Mexico border. Where it will bring high risks of impact, and that those impacts are mainly due to rain. The Weather Prediction Center is calling for a good chunk of rain to fall in that area, potentially even isolated amounts that would uh, warrant a significant or an extreme risk of flooding. And again, already a high risk from the Storm Prediction Center, or a moderate risk, sorry, from the Weather Prediction Center, moderate risk from the Weather Prediction Center of flooding. And again, a good amount of rain expected in those areas. And that's mainly the reason for those slight impacts heading into central Texas as well. So we can see today the system's looking relatively consolidated. We do have a low level, I guess, a mesovortice, something like that, south of the center of the convection, where the image is centered. And that's worth noting. Early this morning, we're currently looking at flooding 7 to 10 inches, isolated 15 in areas. Storm surge shouldn't be a huge concern because those winds are not a huge concern. But again, flooding water will be the main concern with this system. Again, this is the GFS model only 36 hours from now, bringing a tropical depression or a tropical storm just off the Texas coast. The National Hurricane Center giving it a 70% chance of formation within the next 48 hours. We're also watching an area of interest over the southwestern Atlantic. Northern Bahamas need to be watching this, as well as Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, maybe even North Carolina as well. Flooding winds are a slight concern, but that's about it with this system. Again, the GFS bringing the system to the South Carolina, North Carolina border in about 5 days from now. The Hurricane Center only giving it a 30% chance formation. This one's a toss-up, kind of an odd system, but still something to watch. That's all for now. Chris Hickson, InfoWeather Media.